plans for the upcoming Memorial Day weekend, but like the rest of you, I'm not going anywhere. I am going to stay right out here on my patio and enjoy a cocktail. And if you have a pool or a patio, I have the perfect cocktail for you to kick off the summer. And that is a cocktail that's going to make you feel like you're in the Caribbean. And it begins with 4 ingredients. One is pineapple juice. Then you'll need powdered lemonade, pineapple rum, and coconut rum. Now, I was not able to find pineapple coconut rum together in one bottle, and that's what the original recipe required, but we're going to make it half and half, and I'll get into that as we get through the recipe. And then you're going to need Sprite. This is diet Sprite, but it can be diet or not diet. So let's put all this together and make our perfect summertime cocktail. You may have seen this recipe pop up on your social media. I saw it on Instagram, and of course I have to try it. So let's get some of this out of our way so we have some room to work. This is Country Time lemonade. If you don't have Country Time powdered lemonade in your pantry and you have another brand, be sure to just use what you have. I'm sure it's not going to make a lot of difference because there's several ingredients that are going to be mixed together. And that's the same way with the pineapple juice. This is Dole, and if you're unable to find Dole, you might try even a store brand. I'm sure that it will be fine. So just make it with what you have or what you can find, because a lot of us are having trouble finding particular items in the grocery right now. And that comes to this rum. I don't know when I will ever find coconut pineapple rum, but they did tell me at one store that they had it at one time and it sold out. And I'm wondering if it's because of this recipe floating around, but we're going to make this work. The original recipe is for a huge amount of this cocktail. It makes almost like a huge punch because you use an entire bottle of rum, but we're not going to use an entire bottle of rum. I am cutting this recipe into fourths. I'm going to make a fourth of the recipe, but in the information box below, I'm going to put the original recipe, which makes a huge amount. And what we're going to make is going to be about here in this picture. So we're going to start with the rum, and the rum is 6 ounces. So I'm going to use 3 ounces of each. So good luck finding the pineapple coconut rum. There is 2 ounces and 1 ounce of the coconut. Now, set that aside, and we're going to get the pineapple. Oh man, it smells wonderful. I do feel like I'm in the Caribbean with that coconut scent. There's 2 ounces and 1. That is 6 ounces of rum. You see? Now, if I had put the entire bottle for the original recipe, it would probably be up here already. So that's why I did not see any reason, since we can't have large groups over, there was no reason for me to make the entire recipe. So now we are going to put in the lemonade mix, and I need 1/4 of a cup of lemonade mix. And this. Whoops. We don't need that much. There. Now, I need 6 ounces of Sprite. So 1 can is 8 ounces. So I'm going to put a little less than 1 can. I'm not going to bother measuring it out. That's about right. And now we're going to do the pineapple juice. And this requires one of those old-fashioned can openers, which I just happen to have. I don't know that I ever used this. I bet I have not used this can opener in 5 years, but we're using it now. And this requires 12 ounces. Now I had to stop for a moment because they're blowing the leaves in the lawn. So now we're going to get back to our pineapple juice. It's 12 ounces, which is a cup and a half. And here's my measuring cup. So I'm going to measure 1.5 cups. And we're going to add this. And then 1/2 cup of water. Half a cup of water, and that is it. We're going to give it a nice stir. And I wish you could smell the pineapple and coconut. Yummy. Wonderful. So I'm going to pour this. And then let's garnish this. I am going to get my knife. And we'll start with an orange. Let's see. So you can see me. Now I did wash this orange before I am cutting it because I've gotten so I wash everything now. Now, so we'll roll off. And then I have some cherries, maraschino cherries. Now, I just happen to have these because it's not something I generally keep, but I had made another recipe that happened to have cherries in it. And I had them in the refrigerator, and we don't want those to go to waste. So we have our orange. Look at this. I have little umbrellas. It makes it extra special. And let's do one more. So here is your cocktail, and I have mine. Let's give it a try. Oh, that's really good. So the Cruzan pineapple rum and the Cruzan coconut rum mixed together works beautifully. I hope you enjoyed this cocktail. If you do, let me know. And if you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not a subscriber, please tap the subscribe button and follow me on Instagram. Bye.